Hey, welcome to another Stellar Tech video. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick unboxing and first impressions video on the BlackWidow Tournament Edition Stealth mechanical keyboard from Razer. So I picked this keyboard up the other day on Amazon Prime Day, and it is usually $76, but I got it for $20 off for $56, and I was really excited because it's my first mechanical keyboard. So this keyboard features the silent keys, so it should be quieter, and it has a new special type of mechanical key switch, which is supposed to be a little bit of a shorter actuation point and allows you to actually go faster as you're playing games or typing or whatever it is. So let's just get into the unboxing. So I played a really quick game of CSGO to test out this keyboard, and overall I really like it. The mechanical switches feel really nice, and it's not that loud of a keyboard. So here's a quick sample. Alright, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.